Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace the light bulb in the glove box compartment of Mercedes CLK. This should be the same procedure from 97 all the way until 2003 model guys. Stay with us. We have more than 100 videos on this vehicle, and on our website mechaniclifestyle.com you can check it out guys. We have the videos posted there. We'll post description and all the tools that we used, and the links on Amazon for those as well. So we're going to pull everything out of the glove box now, and right here, okay, this is the switch, you can see, and we're going to use those little prying tools for removing plastic trim inside, and you need to pry it, okay, on this side there first, okay, like that, pry it down and pull it out. Now we'll need to disconnect the wires, and this, you just pull this one out, the other one you press in there, okay, and pull. Okay, like that. Make sure you don't drop the wires in the glove box, otherwise you have to remove the whole assembly, which we have the video of. That's the light bulb. All you have to do, preferably wear gloves so you don't cut yourself if it breaks. You pull that thing out. When you're ready to replace it, you just grab the new one and just install it. Get on one side first and then the rest of it. This is the switch. Sometimes those go bad as well. You can see right here. So if yours is malfunctioning, okay, you can always replace that one too. It's not very complicated at all. And when you're ready to install it guys, all we have to do, just push the wires in. Okay, now you see how it goes in an angle to get it in. Okay, it goes the left side first, all the way in. And then we need to press in on the right side to go. Okay, like that, and it locked in place. So perfect guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.